three.
Mm-hmm.
And the Rickman brothers built frames, and then they bought different engines and whatever they get a hold of and put them in them.
So where is this bike? Where's the
The
Rickman?
Rickman is still in Nevada.
Oh, it's still out there.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, to tell you the truth, I'm interested in this Honda XL because I'm already working on one.
Do you want it over at your place? Have you got room for it, Corey?
I don't.
Because if you guys had room for it, you could take it over there and.
Well, how much do you want for it?
I don't know. I haven't even thought about it.
I mean, we could.
Tires are shot.
Yeah.
It was running until my neighbor borrowed it. It's missing the air cleaner and the air cleaner box.
Right.
And I had a different air cleaner on it, and I don't know where the hell it is. Probably got knocked off when we were moving it.
Do you have the title for it?
No, no title.
No title.
Yeah, I was telling George that you were working on one similar to this already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so his kids had those quad things.
Yeah.
And he wanted to use this so he could. 74.
74. Okay.
And it's I don't know why. He didn't keep it in his garage. He put it out back behind his house in the sun, and it ate the seed. And,
Oh, I know. It's yeah.
The sun is brutal out there.
Oh, in Nevada?
Man, it's bad.
Yeah, I bet. Jesus.
Yeah, it turns. My wife used to leave her car out at work, and I used to do plastic, and I know plastic needs to get up to be around 350 degrees to get pretty soft. So the trim in her car just started to sag.
Oh, geez.
From the sun. So that thing must have been so damn hot in there.
Well, that's why here in Michigan we want their cars, because all we do is put new paint on them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
The motors.
150 for this?
Is that cool?
That's fine with me.
All right. Sounds great.
We'll roll it out of here.
These new tires.
Oh, yeah. There's a bunch of stuff.
Seat's getting a little.
I know, it's toasty.